So right now we're having ourselves a nice ugly pullback, but it's seeming like to me like it is one of the most easiest buy the dip scenarios that we have ever seen in a bull market period so far, because the news is that an AI program in China is performing very, very well, and that's supposed to be bad for crypto, American stocks, everywhere else. It just doesn't make any sense. Simple, in my opinion, buy the dip scenario. We're going to take a look at these charts and explain all about it, and I'm going to talk to you guys about an AI agent offer that only KOLs get, and I'm just bringing it to you guys in case you want to get into it. So let's go. First things first, DeepSeek fears wipeout 2.5 billion from the AI agent market cap. Now, this was going to happen either way. AI agents was moving too fast. Everything was going too fast. Quick ups mean quick downs. Quick downs mean quick ups. That's always the case. And the news will always find a scenario or something to go along with that narrative. So today we have this DeepSeek, right? They wipe out 2.5 billion from the agent market. This is supposed to be the competitor to ChatGPT. It is doing better than ChatGPT, I guess. And I guess right now, when we look at the charts of the overall market, we can see Bitcoin's down. We got the SPX actually having a nice dip. We had the DJI is actually performing pretty well. That's why I said this is a buy the dip scenario. So taking a look at these charts a little bit deeper, let's just look at Bitcoin real quick. Why is Bitcoin a buy the dip scenario? When we go to the daily, we can see, yeah, we're bouncing a little bit. I mean, we're dipping a little bit below the 13 on the daily, but we haven't really been watching it on the daily. We've been watching it on the weekly. And we have our support right here on this yellow trend line, which is sitting around like, 95K, 94K. So as long as we're above that level, we are looking pretty bullish there. We have came up and retested this level a couple times and actually got back above it. This trend line goes back pretty far. Let me zoom out for you guys. So you see here, it broke above it, got below it. This trend line's actually been in here for a while, so it's looking pretty good in that regard. When we go to the weekly, this is why I am saying it's a buy the dip scenario. Super bullish on the weekly right here. Our second dip to the 13 moving average right here, we dipped down to it once, which was right on that trend line right there. I love to see confluence. That's just telling me that I have the right setups on my chart right now. But the 13 right now is at 96. I mean 96. 96K for Bitcoin is the lowest that I want to see us go. We do have this pattern right here that some people are calling a double top, but we had very similar patterns before. But once we're bouncing on the 13 moving average, that keeps me bullish right there. Now, looking at the overall market, let's look at the total market cap. Same thing. That's why I said for all of crypto, it's a buy the dip scenario. When I come through some of my favorite cryptos, I can look at Arbitrum, it's getting beat up. I look at Avalanche, it's getting beat up. I look at DAG, it's actually bouncing. So this would be one of the ones that I want to look at for some gains tomorrow. This is how I'll be looking at this stuff. It's showing a bullish chart pattern, literally above this 13 moving average on the weekly, and I can zoom down and go all the way to the hourly chart if I want to, but this is how I just browse through the market. I'll come check out Jam getting ate up, look at Shiba getting ate up, look at Luxo getting ate up. DAG is the only chart that looks different, and hey, my last video was about DAG. They're the most bullish coin in my mind right now because they've been working with the government. The government's getting bullish on crypto. That's super bullish, but that's a different story. But overall, it's a buy the dip scenario for the markets. AI agents have gotten a big punch in the mouth by this DeepSeek thing, but I don't think it's done. I still think we are very, very much just getting started in this market overall. So quick update on, I told you guys about an AI agent. I'm going to talk to you guys about two. First, I have an offer. The Swarm Network is offering their AI agents. If you hold this AI agent, you can get it early right now for $999. You can earn some tokens. If you're in a pool, you can earn up to 15,000 tokens a day for when the token comes out, and you can sell your license in about 6 months from now. So the price will increase over time. You can see the numbers here. I'll put all this in the description. I'm going through this super quick because I'm going to make a full video about it. It's not for this video, just wanted to bring it up here because the sale is live today. And if you're the type of person who likes to do your own research, links in the description. Now, the last thing I want to talk about, because we were talking all about this DeepSeek thing right here, there is a project that might benefit from all of this in the crypto space, and that is Swarms. So right now it's down 29%. Look, 26% is down at a $79 million market cap. The all-time high was 20 days ago. It's down 87% from hitting that nice spike 20 days ago. But when you come to their Twitter right here, they're already allowing you to use DeepSeek agents in the Swarms protocol, so you can have a DeepSeek agent in your Swarm. So that's something that is pretty bullish overall for this, and this might see, when the market turns around, then we might see some type of uptick in the market. Now, the reason why it's like this is because the most times the dips in the market are like 20%. An average dip for crypto is 20%. Sometimes even 50%, like a bear market dip will be 50%. Now, because we've gotten a little bit higher, maybe 10%, maybe 15%, but we usually see these daily dips like nothing, and they usually turn out to be a buy the dip scenario. So when we look at Bitcoin right now, we can see that we're down 2.7% on the day, but we're holding up this main level by the dip scenario, potentially 40% tomorrow. Remember, this is not financial advice. What you do with your money is your responsibility. You make a lot, it's your fault. You lose a lot, it is your fault. So be smart, be careful, get yourself a team. The Telegram group The Telegram group link is in the description for those who want to get into that. If you want to get into the free Telegram group, hit the free one. If you want some extra perks and you want to be on the inside group, go ahead and hit the $10 tier. And if you need that mentorship, the one-on-ones, there's that $50 tier, but make sure you contact me first. Y'all think positive and positive things will happen. RIP to crypto roots, and remember, never finish a negative statement about currency. Till next time, peace.